family of a 9-year-old Shakota girl are frustrated because they've been trying to get her a birth certificate since she was born. Thanks for staying with us here at 9:30. I'm Tatum Gwen.
And I'm Jonathan Cooper. They say they've tried every legal avenue they can, but everything they try leads to a dead end. NewsOn6's Caitlin Deggs is live in Shakota with the family story. Caitlin?
Jonathan and Tatum, the aunt says they won't stop fighting for a birth certificate, but not having one could really hurt the girl in the future. Summer Tankersley lives with her brother and 2 nieces in Shakota. One of her nieces is 9 and has never had a birth certificate, which also means she doesn't have a social security number.
It's been really hectic, and especially when you call and no one wants to hear it, or they tell you they can't talk to you.
She says one agency sends her to another, and even lawmakers don't seem to be able to help. She's scared what this means for the girl as she gets older.
Given her age, pretty soon she won't be able to get a job. She won't be able to get a driver's license.
Summer says it's caused a lot of anxiety for the family, and they have to be careful because the girl can't be on their insurance without a social security number.
She knows things aren't like with her little sister where she has everything. I guess in her sense, she kind of feels frustrated on her own because every time you turn around, you have to remind her she can't go do this or she can't go do that.
The Department of Human Services sent us a statement saying, in part, this is a complicated situation, but we are doing everything we can to assist the family within Oklahoma law and respecting the legal rights of all involved. The agency will continue to help the family work through this issue until a birth certificate can be legally obtained. Summer says this is too important for them to give up.
If you're in the situation, fight. Fight every day. Don't stop banging down doors. Don't stop calling, even if they tell you no.
And Summer says the next thing they're going to try is to establish paternity with DNA and see if that can lead them to getting the birth certificate. Live in Shakota, Caitlin Deggs, Oklahoma's own NewsOn6.
We spoke with the Tulsa attorney about what to do in a situation where your child does not have a birth certificate. Family lawyer James Wirth says a parent first can file what's called a paternity action. It's a legal tool used to force someone to acknowledge who is the child's father and can be filed by either parent.
Mom does not have to cooperate for those things to occur. Dad can file that suit, get her served with appropriate paperwork, and then she either cooperates and goes to court, in which case the judge can make determinations or an agreement is reached, or she doesn't, in which case the father can default her and get the orders that he's requesting.
Once a court establishes paternity, you can then use that to apply for a birth certificate with the state health department's Vital Records office.